Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally and Excel online classes. Today I am going to explain the creation of count formula, count if formula and count ifs IFS formula. Count formula, count if formula and count ifs formula with pivot table. First I will open one data. See, I will create one data ID, name, marks, result, date. So first I will write one table so that you will get more clarity. See, 501 to 502. See, I will just drag it. Next, name. Name is S1, S2. Then you just select it. S9 and S10. Now marks. For marks also I am using the formula equals rand between 0, 100. Bracket close, enter. Now you just select it and drag it. Okay. Now here I have given the formula. Now I will remove the formula because whatever the formula we are using, the numbers will be keep fluctuating. So I will remove the formula. Control C, Alt E S V, paste special value, then value. So I will remove the formula. Now you want to see here there is no formula. Now for seeing the result, I will use the if formula, equal if condition. If bracket start C4, C column 4th row greater than 34. Means my criteria is who got above 34, they are pass. Pass, inverted comma, close, comma, inverted comma start, fail, inverted comma close, bracket close, enter. Now you just select it and drag it. Now I will give the date, means I will bifurcate the date. For 10 students, 5 students are today's date and another 5 students are tomorrow date. See, for example, today is date, also I will use the formula equal today, open bracket and close bracket, enter. So 19th March it will come. You just drag it for 5 students. Now for tomorrow date equal today plus 1. So tomorrow date will come. Now you just select. Otherwise if you make it Control C and Control V. Okay. So this is my table. Now I have to use the pivot table. For writing the pivot table, you just select the table. Control C, Alt N V. So this is the pivot table shortcut key. So you have taken, this range is already taken. Now existing worksheet, you just select. Then we have to select one cell, then you OK. So you got the pivot table fields. Here you are finding name, marks, result, everything. Now I will just use date. Date I will give for rows. How we are giving, it will come off marks. Marks it will comes under values. Then result it will comes under values. Columns, sorry, result is comes under columns. Now everything is segregated. Now I have to change the sum of marks to count of marks. So we have to go to the right click. Then we have to go to the value field settings. Then we have to take it as count so that it will show count of marks. See here 10 students are there, 5 are for 19th March and 5 are for 20th March. So this is my count formula through the pivot table. Now through the formula I will execute. See, you just select it, Control C, Control V. Now I will select the date, Control C, Control V. Now see, I told first count formula equals count, COUNT, open bracket. So for count we have to select C column, full C column, C4 to C13, bracket close, enter. So this is total 10 students are there. Now we have to select next formula is COUNTIF, IF, bracket start. So for COUNTIF formula we have to select E column. See here dates. So we have to select E column, comma. So we have to select particular 19th. In this date, how many students are there? Bracket close, enter. Okay, 5 students are there. Same type, you can go to countif, open bracket, same type, E column, comma. Then we can select 28th, bracket close, enter. Same type, countif for selecting the pass fail. Countif, open bracket. See, this is pass fail. We have to select D column, comma. Here I am selecting first fail. How many are fail in this total students? So 5. Next equals countif, bracket start. Now we have to select D column, comma, pass. How many are pass? Bracket close, enter. So 5 students. Now we have to select in this particular date how many are pass, how many are fail. We have to bifurcate. So for that we have to take it as countifs, count IFS. So for that we have to select first C column. So this is F4 one time base table, comma. Then we have to select fail. Fail means how many are fail. So this is slipping line. So we have to take it as 2 times. Cell locks we have to take F4 one time, slipping line 2 times, then comma. Then E column. We have to select E column particular in this state. F4 base table one time. So comma. Then we have to select standing line. So 19th. How many are fail? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Cell locks. Bracket close. Enter. Just a minute. Equals countifs. Bracket start. So we have to select D column. Base table F4 one time, comma. Then we have to select fail, slipping line. So horizontal line is nothing but slipping line, F4 2 times, 1, 2, comma. Then we have to select E column. E column is base table F4 one time, comma. Then we have to select 19 March. This is standing line 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Bracket close, enter. So you will get the 2. So once you are giving the cell locks, no need to write the formula for all the things. You just select Control D and Control R. You will get the result. Okay. So here I mentioned cell locks. See, cell locks in the sense I told you base table we have to give F4 one time. See, I will write F4 cell locks given. Cell locks, LOCKS, cell locks given. Here base table F4 one time. Okay, or slipping line. Slipping line means horizontal line. Another name, slipping line, in bracket horizontal line. F4 2 times. We have to give F4 2 times. Next, standing line. Standing line in the sense vertical line. Standing line, comma, vertical line. F4 3 times. So this is cell locks. See, if you're giving cell locks means you can select it, the table, and you can give the Control D, Control R, you will get the result. Same type what I have done. See here, I didn't give the formula, it will come off automatically. So cell locks means this is important. Base table means this is my base table. Standing line means this is standing line. 19th and 28th March is standing line. Slipping line means fail, pass, everything is slipping line. So base table, this is base table, standing line and slipping line. So like this we can use the count formula, countif formula and countifs. So if you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it, and please press the bell button icon so that upcoming videos you will get the notification. Thank you.